In this video, I'm going to show you how to share coordinates inside of Kingshot. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is launch the Kingshot game on your device and then wait for your base or map screen to fully load. From here, go ahead and click on the world map. And now click anywhere inside the world map. If you want to share your city, you can go ahead and share that by clicking on your city. Then you'll see a little share button next to the star. So click on the share. Now it's going to say select chat channel, so you can share this in your world, alliance, or even yourself. So if I want to share this to myself, I can go ahead and send this and say, I can put a description here as well, say my location, and then click share. Now you can do this anywhere inside of the map, so you can scroll around, choose locations, or choose like a Black Panther or whatever, and yeah, do the same thing, click the share button, and then you can go ahead and share it to the world, put a little message there if you like, and go ahead and click on share.